Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia, and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. I have a part-time job. I also have an Etsy shop with Budgets and Vlogs. I'll link our shop as well as the freebie for December down below, so you can check it out and grab it if you're interested. Also, I did join a collaboration of ladies where we are supporting each other's YouTube channels, so I will link those ladies down below so you can check them out. Today, I wanted to do my Freebie Fridays. I decided going into 2025 that this would be my thing, trying to do Freebie Fridays. I just love all the freebies. I also wanted to showcase some of our freebies from SilynthiaC Budget Creation, so I will try to remember to mention them. And sometimes what you can do is go through our community tab, and they're listed there as well. So some of the freebies that we do have, they're freebies for a certain amount of time, so that's something else to keep an eye out for as well, because we'll have a freebie that is going to just be a freebie for 24 or 48 hours, and then it'll go into the shop and then be for sale. So, you know, make sure your notifications are on so you can make sure you're getting those freebies before they hit the shop. Anyway, let's go ahead and count up what we're stuffing in our Freebie Fridays. Yay! Hopefully this becomes a thing, right? Because picking up extra shifts and keeping side hustles alive is really making a difference for me. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 bucks here. I did go ahead and get change. As you can tell, these dollars are being recycled out and the bigger bills are being put away for other use. So this $17 is going into our savings challenges, and we will mention where they are from as we go. The first savings challenge is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. This was our freebie for the holidays, so you should still be able to find that link on my community tab or from Cassie J's community tab. Let's roll and see how much this savings challenge is getting. 6. Oh shoot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, so I'm not certain we'll be able to make it multiple rounds, but we're gonna try. This savings challenge is from Savings with Tracy, and it's my Zen frog, and I'm so excited to see him in action. Getting $2. 1, 2. All right, next up is from Brandy Janae. This is my little pig. Oink a little, save a bunch. Okay, let's see. All right, $5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Woo. Okay, we're running out of money, and we're running out of money quickly. I do have an IOU slip here. Okay, we'll just grab it just in case. Whew, that was a big one. All right, so we still have a couple more savings. Oh, we have 2 more. Okay, we don't have very much money, but this might be our last roll. No. 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so okay. I don't think this one needed that much. Let's do this. We rolled 5, but we're going to start with the savings challenge to see where we're at, so we can roll again if we need to. We needed 1, 2, 3, 4. We only needed 4. Okay, so we're not rolling again. However, we did meet our goal. What? Okay, so no IOU. So we completed this savings challenge, which is the freebie for the month of December from SilynthiaC Budget Creations. So you should see this one linked down below. And in total, this savings challenge saved us 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. $10 is what this savings challenge saved us. Okay. So just so you're aware, each one of my spots are $1. So if you see an image or anything like that, it's $1. So this last savings challenge, I wanted to go ahead and introduce anyway. It's from Neen's Budget, and it's Love and Light. And I mentioned before, for going into the new year, I want some inspiring and motivating savings challenges just to get me going. And so we're going to keep up with that. So let's add in the next freebie. So we're going to add in this Harmony savings challenge. This is from SilynthiaC Budget Creations, my shop with Cassie J. And so this was a freebie that we've had sometime throughout the year. Okay, now we're going to add in the money from Brandy Janae. And let's see here. So this one should save us a total of $9, but let's see what we're putting in here today. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bucks, which is incredible. I want to use this pink. Let's see. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the next time we come together for Freebie Fridays, you know what? I mean, it's wishful thinking. Maybe we'll finish it. I don't know. But we're going to go ahead and get that one back into this envelope and move on to the next one. We have $2 going into my Zen Frog. $2. 1, 2. Perfect. A little bit of progress being made already. I love to see it. All right. And so this savings challenge is getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, which is perfect because this one's going to take me a long time to complete. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Now in total we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, $12 in the savings challenge. Woohoo! A little bit of progress being made there. Slowly. This one's going to take me a while, but that's okay because I decided some of them would be bigger amounts and some of them would be smaller amounts, so I can see those small wins taking place, and that way I won't lose motivation. Oh, you know what? There was another savings challenge as well, Buttercup Budgets. You know what I'm thinking? No, I'm not going to do that. Never mind, just kidding. Moving on, you guys. Moving on. This saving challenge was from Buttercup Budgets. So what we need to do is we're going to move these two to the front. So we can try to hit those. We will hit them next time, right? Because we want to make sure all of them are getting some love. And that will help us out quite a bit. All right. So I was thinking we should do a round 2 because I have a few more dollars, not a lot, but I have a few more dollars and I think I want to do it. Let's do a round 2. I'll be right back. All right, so I got a little bit excited and I wanted to do another round because I just cannot walk away without some of these savings challenges, just getting some love. And I'm afraid I'm going to bite off more than I can shoot and give myself an IOU. But that's okay because I have 15 more dollars and I want to put it into savings. And the sooner I get it into savings, the better off I'll be for it. So what did we have here? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's put 10 here. And then we're going to continue on. Oh my goodness. I cannot believe I just did that. I probably should have just did a whole nother video and got some more content, but let's just do it. I think, look at me being brave. Okay. So Buttercup Budgets and Needs Budgets, let's get some love. Woo! Okay, here we go. Here we go. Get a roll. $3. Okay, off to a good start. And let's see what Buttercup Budgets is going to get. 5. Oh, I'm so glad we came back for you, girlfriend. All right, so we only have a couple more bucks, but we're going to continue on. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which that's incredible. Remember, this one's going to take me a while. Okay, we only have 2 more dollars. Ugh, we're definitely going to get an IOU. Let's see. Let's see. 4. Okay, so we put in $2 and then we owe 2 more dollars. Oh, of course. But let's go ahead and add this $2 here. So we have 1, 2, and then once I actually put the cash in, that's when I'll mark that savings challenge. 1, 2, 3, 4 is what we have, and we owe $2. We knew it, right? We just knew it wasn't enough money to really make all that big of a difference, especially rolling the dice, but we went for it, didn't we? All right, so the savings challenge, now we're going to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more bucks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! All right, and so we'll just do a quick count and see where we're at. We're gonna have to condense this one already. We know where to come to get some change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 bucks. I'd love to see it. $17. I have some savings goals going into 2025, but we'll see how things go, guys. All right, and Buttercup Budgets coming through with $5. What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Almost finished with this one. It's taking us a while. She likes to show off. She wants to be around for a while. So we have $5, $6, $7, $8, $9, $10, $11 in this savings challenge. All right, and then Means Budgets coming in, getting on the map today. $3. Perfect. And we'll go ahead and mark $1, $2, $3. Perfect. Okay, so now I feel better because we've got some savings challenges in action, and I'm gonna leave it in this order because I want to see Means getting some love. Maybe I should mix these up a little bit and see. I think I'll just leave it. Okay, I've done too much already, living on the edge. We're not going to continue doing that because maybe we will, because I'm brave. And going into 2025, I'm believing in myself and thanking God in advance for all of his blessings. So thank you guys so much for coming back. I appreciate each and every one of you. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.